Hello, this is Cybergiant. Today I'm going to talk about the Poshmark. What Poshmark is, you can sell used and good clothes for women, men, kids, home appliances, and pets for extra side income. You can say before, let's say you have a Nike sports jacket, costs like $40, and it's used, still good condition. You just knock it down about 50%, sell for $20. And you can make you can get like some of your money back. You can't sell at that price, but and they have how let's see how Poshmark. They have a Google app and for Android and Apple phones. So you can, okay, what they do is list items for sale with just a few clicks. Take a few pictures, different angles. Give a full description, set the price, and you're done. And a Poshmark for virtual shopping parties. People can buy and sell. It happens in the app. Those stamps now have ship quick with Posh Post. They provide you a prepaid, pre-addressed label to be put on the box. Once your sale has been packaged, you can drop out by USPS, or even have it pick up for free from your home. Shipping has never been easy. So you don't need to pay shipping handling. They pay shipping handling. You charge whatever price you want. They just take a small commission, which is usually about 10-15% for some places, but okay. Let's review, see how they do. Okay, next we're gonna do sell on Poshmark. Alright, first thing you need to do is on the website is sell on Poshmark. Create an account, and everything's done through the mobile app. So it'll be paid during either PayPal or Cash App. You provide their phone number to give you a text to download the app. And let's check the Poshmark app. Okay, go on Google Play Store. This is what the app looks like. Sell and cash in on your closet, easy list, woman connect, sell, shop. Okay. You can shop from over 9,000 brands, and you can mostly 70% off, up to 70% off on most deals. You can list your items for free. Or buys. People have, it's 4.1 out of 5 people have. They have a lot of reviews on it. Let's see the good reviews. You can sell. So let's say you buy something, they have a flash shipping rate, $7.45. It's very expensive. Want to buy secondhand? Easy to use. Up to £5. It's a 2-day. One shipping option is 2-day priority shipping. Up to £5, $7.45. So $7.45 is their standard shipping, but they don't charge you for it. They just take it from. They take a percentage of sales. Everything is like through the app. So I'll follow the app instruction and read the term and condition before you decide to do it. I done it. It works well. I think about like $30-50 for some of my clothes. Used clothes. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they can sell their used clothes. If you have a lot, you can buy and sell fashion. Something that can be like old clothes from the 1970s, 80s, and 90s. And I hope to see you guys next time.